This is Team Hot Water, and we worked on the Powered and Pumped Up challenge.
Our goal was to transfer 200 milliliters of water from one cup to the other using a pump powered by solar energy.
Criteria and constraints.
Some of the criteria that we had to use was our solar cells had to be 20 centimeters from the light. Our project had to be under 750 grams. We had to use at least 50 centimeters of tubing, and our containers had to be at the same level.
Our research.
Before we did our experiment, we did some research. We studied how mirrors reflect light.
We also studied how lenses focus light.
Before we built our prototype, we sketched some designs.
When we started our prototype, we incorporated ideas from our sketch.
Before we built our prototype, we did 2 experiments. One focused on mirrors and how they reflect lights. The angle of the mirror changes where the light goes. We can use this in our design to angle the light into the solar cells.
Our second experiment focused on lenses and how they focus lights. The distance from the flashlight determines how focused the light was. We can use our design to focus the light into the solar cells also. Our final design.
This is our final design. Now we'll show you how we got here.
Our original idea was to use a lens to magnify the amount of light going to the solar cells, but we found out that it did not increase the amount of the speed of water going through cup to cup.
We originally planned to use these small mirrors in our design, but instead we replaced them with the large rectangular ones in order to have a higher chance of reflecting light into the solar cells.
This was the final trial and the final design.
Made no sense whatsoever. It slows down.